Hey guys, TerrorPUP here, and today is day 7 of me using the Banana Pi, and I want to apologize and be honest with you guys. I did not do a day 5. I was not feeling good, having problems with my feet. I am a type 2 diabetic, and occasionally neuropathy really gets bad that I can't do anything. So, with that, I wanted to shoot out a video and just show you guys some of the stuff that I've been working on. So, first things first, I've been installing a number of snap and flatpaks, and how I determine it is I come down into systems and I go into software. And for those of you that have never used software on any Linux distro, this is available software that you can use to install stuff. There's not a picture there, but I have it installed. So you would come into like socialization. Takes it a minute to upload, or actually I should say start. It's uploading data from the internet. That part is true, but it takes it a minute to start up. And once it is started, you'll see different software that you can select. And what you do is you come in, you select one of the items that you want to install, and then up here it tells you the different areas you can install it from. So if you're not a fan of, flat packs, you can do snaps, or you can do Ubuntu. That's the distro I'm using, but you can go through here and you can select the different ones. So I've been installing some stuff. Some stuff's been pretty successful, some stuff hasn't. Currently, one thing that has been pretty successful is Brave. Like I told you guys earlier, that is a browser that I love to use, and I pretty much use it on all desktops, be it Windows, Mac, or Linux. Okay, so it's been working out pretty good. The other thing I got working, but I'm not happy with the results, is I got Exum up and running. And for those of you that don't know what Exum is, this is the Xbox emulator. And yeah, as you just saw, it does start up. It will boot up disk, but it's not ready for prime time on ARM. Now, I was told that's probably because I'm running Ubuntu. I'm going to try to, get Armbian, the official version of Armbian, working on here. And come on. That was the first. So, don't you love it when you get errors and you're trying to do a fresh recording? But yeah, that was one thing that was really irritating. Mainly what I've been doing, guys, here lately is I've been running a lot of stuff through my browser. Yes, I know it's not responding. Hold on. See if I can find like Task Manager and kill it. But yeah, I've been running a lot of stuff through Brave. It's been working great. Still need to install wide vine so that way I can watch some of my TV shows on there. Okay, and but it's been going pretty well. The one thing that I will admit that has been very nice is Moonlight works very beautiful. It really recognizes the hardware, and I've been having fun with that. So that's been good. Come on, terminate. Yes. What piv is it? 4343. Alright, when all else fails, sudo kill dash 94343. Okay. And yeah, I mean, I've been pretty excited about that. Still can't get OBS working, but it's a GNOME issue. It looks like because Ubuntu uses GNOME and it's using GDM instead of like SDDM like I told it to, it won't load the plugins that I need for KDM. The KDM version has been really nice and it's been working well. So that's the update for today. I am going to be working on some other videos while I'm doing this project, but I figure I'd give you guys a quick update. Now, I did a sound check with this mic and simple desktop recorder, and some of the guys, you told me that you heard server sound. I think what you're hearing, because as I'm recording it, I can hear it. I have a power over Ethernet switch that's kind of loud that's behind this mic. So I really want to get ODS working on this so that I can do that. But that's going to be it for this video. Until next time, we'll talk. Peace.